Hi, welcome to Harris Maths. Today we're looking at this test paper. It's a practice paper. I've chosen this simply because students find reasoning type questions and also those without the use of a calculator the most difficult. I will be going through the last 5 questions. Also, I found those the most difficult for students to handle. Hi, welcome to Harris Maths. We're given these two equations and we're asked to work out what this expression is equivalent to, the value of this expression. So it's 5 into 2a plus b. We know that brackets mean to multiply, and we know that 2a plus b is equal to 9. So we can write this as 5 times 9, which is equal to 45. Part B is the expression 2c minus d. If we look at the second expression on the right, we can see that 2c is half of 4c and minus d is half of minus 2d. So this can be written as equivalent to half of 4c minus 2d. We know what 4c minus 2d is equivalent to, and so we have a half times the value of 6, which is equal to 3. In part C, we're given this expression 4c minus 2d in brackets minus brackets 2a plus b. Well, all we have to do is replace the numerical values for these expressions. We know 4c minus 2d is 6, and we know 2a plus b is equal to 9. We have a minus 9, and that gives us the result of minus 3 or negative 3. Right, in part D, we're asked to use both equations given above to write an expression in terms of a, b, c, and d that has a value of 30. Well, if we have a look at these two equations, one is 9, the value 9, and the other is the value 6. If we add these two, we'll get 15. And if we multiply 15 by 2, we'll get our value of 30. So this is telling us that if we add this equation to this equation and then multiply the result by 2, we'll get a value or an expression with the value equal to 30. And that's what we'll do. 2a plus b plus 4c minus 2d. So this represents the 9 plus 6. So this expression is equivalent to 15. And we'll put this in brackets because now we'll multiply the expression by 2. And that will give our expression with the value of 30. So this will give us 4a add 2b add 8c minus 4d. And this is our expression equivalent to 30. But don't take my word for it. You can substitute values and check that it is equivalent to 30.